Cut a strip of fabric which is 60 centimeters long and 6 centimeters width. Fold in half and machine stitch. When you're machine stitching, make sure that you reinforce in the end and leave one section open. Using this pin, turn the fabric inside out like in the video. Press. Now you want to cut the piece into half using your scissors. Fold the ends and so that you don't leave fraying edges. Now you're going to make a channel which is 8 millimeters from the edge and machine stitch, forming the channel from the edge. Fold the end to put in the raw edges inside. Make it 0.5 inside. Don't close. Do the same on the other side of the piece of the fabric. Reinforce. Now it's time to put your earring in the channel. Be gentle with it and thread it through all the way around on the channel which you have formed. Using your needle, make sure that you reinforce and close that opening where you threaded the earring in using your needle. Reinforce so that it's strong. You can use fabric glue if you have got any, but I didn't have any fabric glue, so I just used the needle. Do this on both earrings. There you have it.